is the best-selling CRM application, and it has been for over 3 decades. As you know by now, ACT allows you to quickly tap into rich contact details, efficiently manage your calendar and sales opportunities, and send targeted email marketing messages from the office or on the road. In this video, I want to show you how to install and activate ACT. If you've already received the installation file from your sales representative, then it's time to get to work. So here's how to install ACT, along with the SQL Server Express database on your computer. Locate the installation executable file and double-click it. This is going to unpack all of the installation files that you'll need. Once the installation files are unpacked, click the Yes button to launch the installation screen. And on this screen, all you have to do is click Install ACT. This will begin the installation, and it will take just a minute or two. The next step is to choose your region, click Next, and then agree to the license agreement and click Accept, and then decide whether you want to do a typical installation or a custom installation. The only real difference between the two is that the custom installation lets you decide where you're going to install ACT and SQL Server Express. Or if you want to skip SQL Server Express, choose Custom also. Most people will use the typical installation. So click Next, and then ACT will begin installing SQL Server Express and ACT itself. Once that installation process is complete, now all you have to do is click the Finish button to close the installation window. And now you can exit out of the installation screen. After installing ACT, your next step should be to register and activate it. When you launch ACT for the first time, it's going to ask you to fill out some phone information. All you really have to do is enter your area code in this first box and then click OK. Then confirm this selection in the phone and modem window and click OK again. Notice now that ACT launches and is currently in trial mode. You have 31 days to try ACT without purchasing a license. But if you've purchased a license, then the next step is to activate. You can do this now by clicking Activate Now on this window, or if you've already closed this window, you can always go to the Help menu and choose Register ACT. This will launch the ACT License Registration Wizard. On this screen, you can see how many days you have left in the current trial period, and then choose the way you want to activate. If you have an internet connection, the best and quickest way to activate is to choose Activate Your License Online, and then click Next. Now fill out the fields on this screen using your full name first and last, and make sure you choose a country from the country drop-down list, and then click Next. Now just put your serial number in this field and click Next again. If your serial number is good, you'll receive a congratulatory message and you're all finished activating ACT. So now you can just click the Finish button to complete the activation process.